Jatron Hambai, Tini je current affair class 90 current affair nini descriptive or Tripurani current affair uh, descriptive এবং MCQ or MCQ tama who announced the introduction of app-based cab service at MBB airport in Agartala wa Susanto Chaudhary. What is the main reason for introducing a bus cab service at MBB Airport according to Susanto Chaudhary? To match the quality of service like Ola and Uber. ঠিক আছে, what existing services are currently available at MBB Airport according to the announcement hingga prepaid taxi and auto service overall. Taiman tangka ang joto naiklah jeta most of naik. How many passenger does MBB Airport witness daily? Witness daily as per the report 4,000. Maka Simon tangka. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে how much was the memorandum of understanding signed for the development of uh, rupee OI in Tripura 692 crore teman tangka engkai uh, according to the chief minister which sector is crucial for the economic growth of Tripura and the country tourism ঠিক আছে যেটা important when did the chief minister of Tripura announce the comprehensive plan to develop tourism okay on World Tourism Day 2024 bas saya mantangka kai tekaisa what natural location is Tripura are included in the Rupe Web project about Jampu Hill and Surmasora. Surmasora. ঠিক আছে আবার পরে তিনি অরণ কিচার নায়ান যে সাজেস্টেড তব নিনি by which year in India project to become the third largest economic in 2030. 2030. What was the nominal GDP in the last quarter 5 year 24 according to official data 47.24 lakh crore ঠিক আছে যেটা suggested what is the projected GSDP Gujarat যেটা most এমন পরে আরো nini Sputnik GK Sputnik where was the 9th edition of ICC Women T20 World Cup initial is scheduled to take place in 2024 of Bangladesh. Why was the 2024 ICC Women T20 World Cup relocated to the UAE hingga to ensure successful conduct of tournament? In which country will the 2024 ICC Women T20 World Cup now take place? United Arab Emirates. ঠিক আছে what is the total prize money for 2024 ICC Women T20 World Cup okay nini US 79588080 apa US dollar for the business Korea how many ATP title has Jibon Nedise Jian Un in his career after the Azure Open 2024-2, which title was Bijoy Chandra Prashan first ATP win hingga nini Hangzhou Open. And pore nini nini Gomal Rock, award and honor rock, nini. In which year did Indian win gold medal in both the men and women category at the Chess Olympic 2024? No, man, important. Who were some of key players in the Indian men team at the 2024 Chess Olympic? Okay, the Gukesh, Iligesi, and Pragananda are. How many points did Indian men team score out 22 in 2002 chess Olympiad of Hong Kong 21? Which country did the Indian women chess team defect the claim to top spot in 2024 chess Olympiad Hong Kong? Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan. Who praised Indian achievement at the 2024 Chess Olympiad Manthaga, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where was the who praised India? Uh, where was the IWF Junior World Weightlifting Championships 2024 of Hong Kong, Nini, Leon, Spain? In which weight category did Dhanush Logarathm win a bronze medal at the IWF Junior World Weightlifting uh, Championship 2024, 55 kg? What was Dhanush uh, Loganathan total life at 2024 IWF Junior World Weightlifting Champions and 23 231 kg? Who won the gold medal in the men 55 kg category at the IWF Junior World Wrestling Champion 2024? K. Dong. Which country did the silver medal Kotaro Tomari represent in the men 55 kg category at the IWF Junior World Wrestling Champion 2024? Eka Japan. Eka जों आरोबाव अब नायनो हादि अब साजेस्टेड जे साजेस्टेड ना आं साका ठीक আছে ini je karane फेराबो नेक्स्ट जों नायलायनाय देबो गोबांमा निनि एवार्ड एन 2024 बुक एन्ड अथर आर्ट एन्ड कालचार अबराव ঠিক আছে